for the devotee who has prema and rati, attachment for his guru, asakti, guru asakti, attachment and rati, then for him it's Chovis Kanta Avirbhav. When Prabhupada was walking with him in New York, his shishya turned to him and said, Srila Prabhupada, this is 1966. Your Gurudev, Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati, he left this planet in 1937, January 1st. This is 30 years ago. Do you feel separation from your Guru? Guru Viraha? Do you feel separation from your Guru? And what did Swamiji say? What did Srila Prabhupada say? No, I don't feel separate. My Guru is always with me. My Guru is always with me. So that means Avirbhav, manifestation, visibility. We say there's a lack of visibility. Turn on your headlights, or they say in the plane, we can't. So our lack of visibility is due to our lack of surrender, sharanagati. Our lack of visibility is due to our lack of sadhana. Our lack of visibility is due to our lack of desire to see. Do we want to have Guru Darshan? If we want, then we make advancement.